Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make homemade candy using an easy method. Start by gathering your simple ingredients: 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of water, and 1/4 cup of light corn syrup. These form the base for many delicious candies. Next, set up your kitchen with a sturdy saucepan and a reliable candy thermometer. Having everything ready makes the process smooth. Pick out your favorite flavorings and colors to personalize your sweet treats. Now combine your sugar, water, and corn syrup in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Stir gently over medium heat until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. This is crucial for a smooth texture. Once the mixture begins to boil, stop stirring. Let it cook undisturbed until your candy thermometer reads 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the hard crack stage. Patience here ensures perfect results. As soon as your candy reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit, remove it from the heat. This prevents overcooking. Quickly but carefully stir in your desired flavorings, like a teaspoon of vanilla extract and a few drops of food coloring for a vibrant look. Then, pour the hot liquid onto a greased baking sheet or a silicone mat. Work swiftly, as it will begin to set quite fast. Let your candy cool undisturbed for at least 30 minutes, or until it's completely firm and brittle. Rushing this step can lead to a sticky mess. Once fully hardened, you can easily break it into smaller, delightful, bite-sized pieces. Store your beautiful homemade candy in an airtight container at room temperature. It will stay fresh and delicious for up to 2 weeks, ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.